Hi there, welcome back to my Python tutorials. So in this video, we would look at some of the things to keep note of when declaring variables. Okay, so the first thing we would have to do is that, okay, let's keep it short. First of all, variables can contain letters and numbers. So let me give you an example. Name1 equals, let's keep it math. This is correct. Name equals Jude. This is also correct. It can either be a combination of letters and numbers, or it could be letters only. Another thing we should notice, for example, if I want to collect information, I want to pass in values for a variable for first name, I could equally separate them by an underscore. This is also correct. So first underscore name, this is correct. You could equally do it this way. Let's say last name Smith. You could bring the underscore before. This is equally correct. You can even bring an underscore after. It is also correct. But one thing you should note is that, let's go back to the very first one. You cannot do it this way. You cannot say one name equals, let's say Tosh. This is wrong. This is wrong because Python, the syntax does not allow that. So you need to know some of these things when you're following the conventions for naming variables. You cannot pass in the value a number before the letters. It is wrong. So keep that in mind. Yeah, so basically this is some of the things you need to keep in mind when naming variables. And also when you are naming a string variable, always remember to bring in your quotation marks. Without the quotation marks, it would not work. So let me remove the quotation marks from Smith and see this. It will no longer recognize this as a variable. And then for numbers also, let's say integers, you could say age equals 32. You could keep it as such, it would work. You could combine numbers with this as well. Age1 equals 32. It's still going to work. And in Python, you need to keep in mind that unlike some languages where you are required to state the variable type, let's say if it's an integer, you would say int age equals, let's say age2 equals this. It's not compulsory in Python. You don't need to pass in the variable type. Python will automatically detect that for you, so you could just keep it as such. So this is some of the rules you need to keep in mind when declaring variables. So in the next video, we will play around with our variables and try them in different types of print statements. See you in the next video. Thank you.